Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how you can open up archives of a whole bunch of formats. Right here, as you can tell, I have a whole bunch of archives that I've created, by the way, and right now I cannot open them. So in order to do so, first we're going to open up our browser, preferably Google Chrome because that's best, and we're going to want to search for 7z. The first link should be this. If it's not, try to find it or just go to 7z.org and then click downloads. Now you're going to be presented with a few options here. First one's going to be the beta, and I just made this tutorial previously and decided to redo it because the beta doesn't support all the previous archives as the previous stable version does to archive to. It can still open up all the same ones, it just can't archive to all the same ones. So it's really up to you, but for the demonstration of this tutorial, I'm going to use the previous stable version so I can show you all the formats that it supports. And you're going to want to download a version that's correspondent to your architecture. For me, it's 64-bit. Now you can either download the EXE or the MSI. Previously, when I've used the MSI installer, I ran into some issues. So I'm just going to use the standard EXE. Download it. Once it's done, we're going to open it. If a window pops up, just click yes. I'm going to minimize the browser, and you're going to want to choose your location. The default might be best for you, but for me, I like it in my D drive. I actually hit enter on my keyboard instead of clicking install, but you can do either or. Click close. After you've done that, you're going to want to go to your start menu and type in 7z. Now, if 7z file manager doesn't come up like it doesn't for me, what you're going to want to do is go back or close the menu and open it back up, and you're going to see right here it'll say 7z. And if your menu is spammed with programs, just scroll down until you find the number sign or the pound sign, open the 7zip folder, right click on it, go to more, and click Run as Administrator. When it pops up, click Yes on it. Once this is opened up, we're going to want to go to Tools and go to Options. And the first tab that we should be in is System. If it's not, go to that. Then we're going to want to click the plus sign. For me, it's already showing that I have all of the archives associated to be open with 7zip. So if I were to click this again, it's going to unassociate them. So if you click it, you're going to want it to look like this, where all of them are associated with 7zip. Then you're going to click Apply, click OK, and then you can close this. Now as you can tell, all of these have their icons now, and they don't look like a big white hunk of shit. Now we can open them. Let's open this one, and once again, I created these archives, by the way. And so that was 7z. Now this is a bzip2. This is a gzip. This is a tar. This is a wim. This is an xz. This is a zip, which you should be able to already open on Windows. And this is a rar. Now, you can archive to any of these formats except rar. Now, just to demonstrate what I mean, I'm going to archive all these. Go to 7zip. Go to Add to Archive, and you'll see that now this is interesting to me right now because previously I had other options here. So you may want to install the beta if you want because maybe this was the version that I was using, but I had different options and I had bzip2 and gzip and I had xz. But now I don't. I don't know what the fuck happened. But as you can see, I can archive to any of these formats. But yeah, that's simple. That's how you open pretty much any archive. It supports other archives other than these. If you have any questions or comments or requests, post them in the comment section below, and I'll see what I can do.